Assalamu alaikum children. Today is Monday, 4th May. I hope that all of you had a wonderful weekend and let's continue our story. आपको मैंने फ्राइडे की डायरी में दिया था कि आपने स्टोरी की रीडिंग करनी है और उसमें वर्ब को कलर करना है एंड यू हैव टू कलर ऑल द वर्ब्स ग्रीन. अगर आपके पास ग्रीन कलर नहीं है, आपने जो भी की बनाई है, आई एम श्योर आपने उसको इंस्ट्रक्शन को फॉलो किया होगा. एंड बिफोर स्टार्टिंग टुडेज वर्क, let's recall the vocabulary of the unit first. Alright. Chisel, clumsy, complain, fetch, nod off, earned. So I asked you to learn the vocabulary as well. आपने ये vocabulary भी learn करनी थी. I'm sure आपने ये meaning के साथ vocabulary learn भी की होगी. Alright children. So before starting reading and discussing the moral of the story, let's recall that what are the characters of the story. Yes, there are basically four main characters of the story: grandfather, Manfred, Thekla, Wilhelm. And please now open up your textbooks. All right. On Friday, I gave you in diary to highlight verbs in the story by making a key like this. Verb की key बनानी थी आपने और उसके साथ आपने इसको verbs को जहाँ पे भी वो वर्ब है आपकी की के अकॉर्डिंग. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आप की में ग्रीन कलर यूज करें देन यू हैव टू कलर ऑल द वर्ब्स इन द स्टोरी ग्रीन. वर्ब्स आर दी एक्शन वर्ड्स, डूइंग वर्ड्स, एंड आपने ये वोकैबुलरी लर्न करनी थी. ऑलराइट, हमने सो फार रीडिंग की थी. आई एम श्योर आपने रीडिंग की होगी इस यूनिट की. और नाउ लेट्स सी के व्हाट हैपेंड नेक्स्ट. जब ग्रैंडफादर ने वो जो है जब ग्रैंडफादर को उन्होंने चीप थेक्ला एंड मैनफ्रेड गेव हिम अ चीप वुडन बॉल. सो व्हाट हैपेंड नेक्स्ट? देन इट हैपेंड दैट कि वन डे मैनफ्रेड एंड थेक्ला दे वर लुकिंग फॉर देयर बॉय एंड दे फाउंड हिम वर्किंग इन द वर्कशॉप. और वो क्या कर रहा था वहां पे? दैट ही वाज आल्सो मेकिंग अ वुडन बॉल. And when the parents asked him that, what are you doing? And he said that, I am making a wooden ball for you to eat from when you are old, replied the boy. Boy ने कहा कि मैं भी आपके लिए ऐसा ही एक बॉल बना रहा हूँ कि जब आप ओल्ड हो जाएंगे तो आप उसमें खाना खाएंगे. You see that? Alright, let me show you closely. The boy is making the ball and you see how you have to highlight the verbs in the story. Alright, and then what happens next? After listening this, the parents looked at each other and their eyes were filled with tears. Come, dinner is ready, said Thekla softly, and she put her arms around her son and three of them went back to the house. After this, Thekla and Manfred always asked the old grandfather to sit with him at the table. So this was the ending of the story. That's how the story ended. That के मैनफ्रेड और थेक्ला ने ग्रैंडफादर को भी अपने साथ टेबल पे बिठा के लंच एंड डिनर जो है वो करना स्टार्ट कर दिया. आई एम श्योर आप सब ने ये वर्ड्स हाईलाइट किए होंगे. ऑलराइट, नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस वंस अगेन द मोरल ऑफ द स्टोरी. दैट व्हाट डू यू थिंक दैट जो उन्होंने पनिशमेंट दी थी थेक्ला एंड मैनफ्रेड ने ओल्ड फादर को, ग्रैंडफादर को, डू यू थिंक दैट वाज दैट नाइट? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स डिस्कस कि वो पनिशमेंट क्या थी. यस, ऑलराइट, दे पनिश्ड हिम by making him sit in the corner and eat from a wooden ball. Yes, that's right. ये उसकी पनिशमेंट थी. थेक्ला और मैनफ्रेड ने, क्योंकि वो वीक था, क्लमजी था, उनके लिए ऑकवर्ड था, उन्होंने उसको एक बॉल दे दिया था कि वो इस बॉल में खाएगा, इस बॉल में अपना फूड जो है वो ईट करेगा. सो दिस वाज द पनिशमेंट गिवन बाय थेक्ला एंड मैनफ्रेड. और उसका रिजल्ट क्या हुआ? व्हाट वाज द रिजल्ट? Yes, because the child was watching and observing his parents. उसने मैनफ्रेड एंड थेक्ला को ये करते हुए देखा था ओल्ड फादर के साथ, तो उसने भी उनके लिए वैसा ही सोचा बनाने के लिए. अगेन यू सी chisel. Alright, इसको यहाँ पे राइट करते हैं one more time. Chisel is the tool which is used by carpenters. You see that? This is the hammer and this is chisel. Alright, so उसने भी उनके लिए वैसा ही बॉल एक बनाने का सोचा. So this is the story which tells us about that we should value humans and human relationships more than we value material things. So ये story हमें बताती है कि हमें इंसानों की और अपने घर में मौजूद एल्डर फैमिली मेंबर्स को रिस्पेक्ट एंड डिग्निटी के साथ ट्रीट करना चाहिए. वी शुड ऑलवेज ट्रीट देम काइंडली एंड रिस्पेक्टफुली. हमें बर्तन टूट रहे हैं, ये ग्लास ब्रोकन है, स्मैशिंग हो रही है, अगर कोई चीज़ स्पिल करी है उसकी केयर नहीं करनी चाहिए. वी शुड केयर अबाउट आवर एल्डर मेंबर्स ऑफ द फैमिली एंड वी शुड ऑलवेज ट्रीट देम विद डिग्निटी एंड रिस्पेक्ट. सो दिस इज द मोरल ऑफ द स्टोरी. Alright, I'm sure that all of you have enjoyed the story. आप सबने story enjoy की होगी, vocabulary भी write down की होगी, and इसको learn किया होगा. Alright, students, now let's move on today's work. Alright, as yesterday we have in yesterday's diary I gave you to highlight verbs. So today we are going to understand verbs in a very in a efficient way. आज हम इसको और अच्छे तरीके से करेंगे. For this one, please open up textbook page number 18, verbs. Let me show you closely. Alright, please write down day, Monday, 4th May 2020 and highlight this. Verbs. What is verb? A verb is a doing word. You see, you can underline or you can circle the definition of verb. Verb is a doing word. For example, Naila screamed when she saw snake. Saw, screamed. Both are verbs. She saw the snake, she screamed. Saw and screamed are verbs. These words tell us what Naila did. Alright, these are the words saw and scream. These are verbs because they are showing some action. A verb is a doing word. आप इसके opposite write कर सकते हैं action word. A verb is an action word. Alright. And now, let's see this. As I've shown you this flashcard yesterday, look at these verbs. Eating, writing, playing, reading, jumping. These all are action words or these are called doing words. क्योंकि हर एक picture में, you see, हर picture में कोई जो है person कोई ना कोई काम कर रहा है. You see, this one is eating, he's writing, ये काम है ना. These children are playing, he's reading book and this girl is jumping. So ये सब काम है. These are the action words. So action words are called verbs. Alright, let's see if you can match these accurately. Alright, this is another flashcard. Alright, you see this? Let me show you closely. This boy is riding a cycle, he's skating. This one is running. It seems like some chef is cooking something. This is jumping. And in this picture, what you see? Yes, he's pulling something. And here is a list of action words. This is the list of verbs. Cooking, pulling, jumping, riding, skating, and running. So let's see if you can match all of these correctly. Alright, let's take a look at this one picture. Alright. Can you match it with cooking? No, because this boy is riding. So let's take it to the riding. That's nice. Now what is this boy doing? What action is this boy performing? ये क्या काम कर रहा है? क्या verb perform कर रहा है? Alright. He is skating. Alright, let's go here. Skating. Now this one. Alright, running. And this one. Cooking. Which verb is it? Cooking. Again, that. Jumping. That's correct. And what is this one? Yes, pulling. Alright, fantastic. That's how you have matched all of the verbs with their correct picture. That's fantastic. Alright. Now what we're going to do, let's read the statement on page number 19. Underline the verbs in the following. Alright, we have used highlighter here. Let me show you closely. Let's take a closer look. Let's read the passage first. Naila sat beside the road. She read her book and waited for the bus. A boy came past on his bicycle. The wheel of the bicycle hit a stone. The bike fell over. The boy went flying through the air and landed in front of Naila. Catch a bus next time, said Naila. The boy smiled and rubbed. Alright, there is there are a number of action words, verbs in the passage. So we have highlighted sat, read, waited, came, hit, went, fell, landed, catch, smiled, and drop. All of these are the verbs because these are showing some action. They are showing that excuse me, some action has been performed. Alright, so that's how you will do this. Alright, afterwards, what we're gonna do here, choose a verb from the box to complete the following. Use the correct form of verb and use each verb only once. What you're gonna do that? This is a list of verbs. So you can write down verbs. Play, drink, watch, catch, rest. So these are the verbs, and you will fill this. You will fill the these verbs in the sentences. Now let's see how can we do that. They dash for an hour every afternoon. Alright, what do we do in afternoon? Mostly, or most of us, we take nap in the afternoon. So it means rest, rested. Here goes, rested. Jason and Mary are playing with their friends in garden now. Now shows that the work is happening now. कि अभी बता रहा है now से कि that work is continued. कि अभी वो काम हो रहा है. So what we're gonna write here? They are playing with their friends in the garden now. Sarah dashed a whole glass of milk before going to bed last night. आप जब वर्ब फिल करते जाएं तो उसको यहाँ पे आप ऐसे क्रॉस कर सकते हैं. Alright? Now Sarah drank a whole glass of milk before going to bed last night. Last night means that this is a matter of past. कि ये काम कल हो चुका है. So past है. Drank is the past form of drink. So we will write drank. We will fill our statement by writing drank. Sarah drank a whole glass of milk before going to the bed last night. She dashed television every evening. Every evening means that this is a matter of present. So watches. She watches television every evening. Amin caught a cold last week but is better now. Now shows that this is the matter of present, that this is something which is going on. So Amin caught a cold last week but is better now. कि अमीन को कोल्ड हुआ था last week shows the matter of past, कि ये past में काम हो चुका है. So caught is the past form of catch. So that's how you will fill up the verbs in the sentences and you will complete this. Alright, now let's take a look at the diary. Alright children, today's diary is Learn Verbs, textbook page number 18. Alright, textbook page number 18 पे you see this is the definition with examples. So you will learn verbs and you have to learn the examples as well. Alright, this is all for now. Thank you very much for joining us. Look after yourself. Stay home, stay safe.